And the stock market is crashing.
I see red across the screen. Look at, ooh, that's ugly.
A major tech sell-off in the making.
Yeah, we got a big sell-off in technology this morning.
Market is officially spooked.
And while the market is down today, going down, I just made a shat ton of money in just a few minutes. And I'll show you right now. And I'll show you tomorrow. And I'll show you last week. And I'll show you exactly where everything is going. And you do not need to pay attention to said headlines from CNBC Pro because you've upgraded your subscription. Guys, this was my very first video on this channel, and I said don't do it. They said buy SpaceX shares. Buy it now. If you would like to, you can go back to the video. See? Same idiot, same stupid hairstyle, going down in a wedge. But this is the lowest it's going to get, and it just popped. Get in now. Don't get in now, but it gets so much better. As if I jump over to today's chart of said, what was the price? Here, I'm on the 2-minute. I trade on the 2-minute. It was up here. See this yellow line? I even marked it. $143.19. I said it was going to go lower. Don't do it. I was called a stupid idiot in the comments section because you don't understand. And why would you ever bet against Elon Musk? Well, that's because I like my digits in my bank account to go really high on the back of elites. Oh, don't say that. All the way down. Where are we at now today, friends? We are at $111. Started from the top, now we're here. But feel free to follow along with ass, right? I ate you, Han. Is ass I ate you, Han? This was my video. Leaked. This is where SpaceX is going next. 10x. And then everyone's like, yeah, this is what we want. Retail. I'm just telling you, it's going the opposite direction. If you always want to know where the market is going, click subscribe. I'll show you. Don't follow this stuff. Can you do it again? Yeah, I could do it yesterday. I can do it today. I can do it tomorrow. We'll go back to what did you say yesterday? Oh, you were not looking. I actually broke into your house yesterday. And I filmed myself on your TV. And I like the cement background. It's very prison-ish. But let's just see. What Bravo say yesterday? Okay, go ahead, Bravo. You can speak now. I'll go ahead and drop. All fine and dandy, but you have to be able to see things like patterns. See, I could put in a short right there. Why is that? That's a rising wedge. That is a high probability it's going to break down. Now you can come back and watch this video and go, dang it, how does he know this? And breaking news. So we're covering Tesla. We're covering the NASDAQ. I'm showing you that charts will predict, which they did right today, right now, tomorrow. What I say right now will be a predictive of tomorrow. Stock market today, Dow drops 500 points. But show us back to the NASDAQ. Prove us, Jay Bravo, that this actually works, and then I might consider subscribing to this channel. It'll be my first one. Okay. Goes up, rising wedge. Sorry, sometimes I call it falling wedge because I think the price is going to fall. Rising wedge, breaks out. Confirmation. We go lower. We make, I don't know how much you want to make. Let's measure it from there to there and then pull it over, okay? Piggies get fed, hogs get slaughtered. Goes up, retests. Do you see? Oh, everyone knows. You're trading NQ1 on one contract, you made $1,000. Goodbye, have a nice day. Trade the other one right below it, which I teach you all this in the course. You're up $100, which is cool because it might be just in a few minutes. Okay, so that was then. Does it repeat right before the market closes? Let's see. Oh, here it is again. Ta-da! And break. It'll break it. You can make money. Comes up, retest it, and then slam it. Measure it from the meat, which I'm probably taking a little bit too much, maybe a little less. But anywho, piggies get fed, hogs get slaughtered. You're making what, 2,100, 2,200, one contract, or 220. But what is happening now? Can you do it again, magical man with the funky hair? This is market open. Easy. And I was trading this, and then it got into another pattern. I'm like, I am so going to short this right here. And what happened, guy? Break. Right. See, triangle. Okay. There was one bounce support right here. You can confirmation here. Red. There's nothing under you. Red, green, red, color change. At the color change, you take it down. Where are you going to measure? You could take a quick scalp here. You can go longer if you wish. Depends on how much money you want. And then you take this and you carry it down. This is currently where we're at, and you get the frac out. Maybe probably right about there. Anywhere, because it knows the market. It takes the money from dummies. But bravo, you're a swing trader. You're going to swing trade that up? No, because you're under the 20. You're under the 200. You have a magnet pulling it down. How much did we just make on that? Mr. Smart Guy Day Trader, just take and measure it. 176.25 times 20. From 742 to 830, you're up another 3,530 or $353. So let's recap. Step 1. Do the opposite of retail. Step 2, don't ever listen to anyone. No. If it says Mad Money or CNBC, you're doing what they want you to do. But that's such a small barometer. Don't do that. Understand the charts predict this. I come here every day, 9 years on YouTube. Some people, I don't like charts, so I started here. This is what's happening. I just want the news. On this show, I'm going to give you mainly charts with news to show you that the news doesn't work, but I will probably lead in with a news headline because that's what people like. If you want to know step by step how to do this, I have a full-blown, beautiful favorite course in the entire world on how to do it. $299. It doesn't go cheaper. It goes more expensive. It's going to $399 because honestly, I think I have 10 videos left because you need to understand this. This is what I told you on the NASDAQ a week ago, 2 weeks ago. I said, you're in a diamond. It's going to break. You can make money down. Then it's going to come up and retest. It's going to pull all the retail in and then confirm, and it's gone. It's all gone. And the amount of heat that I take when it has the bounce every time. You don't know. I should not have listened to you. You're an idiot. That's what I got on the SpaceX. And sorry if I ever screw it up and call it Tesla, which it will be. I will come here every day and take it for the team. I know what the bankster is going to say. He's going to be like, you know what? Crude oil futures, this is actually a really good buy. Look, guys, whoa, it's over $100 a barrel now. I know someone who called that too. But you don't understand, bravo. Our United States President of the United States of America, he's going to solve this. Guys, there will never be anyone, a politician in your life that will ever solve your problems. My friend, you're going to have to just pull up those britches, solve your own problems, click buttons on a screen and wash windows. And then wait for me to start new channels to give you ridiculous deals because I have never changed, guys. This has only gone up. Just to let you know, when you're done with trading, you're like, well, what can I trade now? How about join a bear market watch list for $1 a day? See, on my other channel, I can't do that. But I was thinking I can on this one. So if you want to get involved in my watch list, market go down. It's $1. It'll never be cheaper. And you could lock it in and nanny to everyone else. When the market goes down, and that's so, to learn how to do this stuff and to make this kind of money is like, and I still get haters. That's because they don't do this. Or I scare them away with my hair and my charisma. But let's head on back to Yahoo Finance and go over Tesla's stock tumbles 10%. Could I have seen that coming after profit miss? Full year CapEx, $25 billion. Guys, these companies, Google, they don't have even free cash flow anymore. Like, we are in the fourth turning. We are in a recession. I don't know what people see because it's all lies and propaganda. It is like, guys, you want to know my weight loss? It's this right here. The dehydrated water. It has no calories. It's amazing. Everyone should get it for their survival kits, hurricanes, global warming, droughts, space travel. Right? Get yourself a can of dehydrated water. Here is a story that would get, when JP Morgan calls me and like, wait, we have some opportunities. Just shut up, please. Go. Can you beat here? I'll put up my portfolio. I'll put up my percentage. Can you beat that? Oh, how do you do that? Because I don't listen to you. Google 2027 capital spending could boom near 400 billion. We got AI. We got all the dehydrated water. You guys are broke and you are running on dehydrated water as Google's negative cash flow stokes AI spending fears. Yeah, you think? You're charging everyone 200. China just released something for $1. Uh-oh. It's a fight to zero. Alphabet stocks falls as negative free cash. This is actually in Google's history. I don't know. I went back. Let's see. Maybe Barron's will have pop-ups that I have to buy something. You guys going to get me? You going to get me? You want to show me the chart of like, no, nothing. Just trust me. It's all really bad. It's like, look at all of our free cash flow. And then this one finger is like down. As Alphabet stock is falling, AI spending continues to mount. Keep on a spending, kids. While Kimmy just eats it all away. You're like, what's Kimmy? It's an AI. It's really good, really cheap. Talking about cheap, again, this is something I've never said on my other channels, probably never will. Guys, for those of you, and I'm going to put it in the course. I originally said, you need to have money. I want you to have, start a business. Start selling cans of dehydrated water. This is how you do it. And then with that money, you trade it, and it grows really big, out of control. And you're like, boy, I wish I would have known this when I was 14. Well, you could have been in my high school class or my college class or my junior high class, and I would have taught it to you. We fund traders, trading the revolution. Take profit trader. You can get paid. One of my students does this. I was like such a disbeliever. And then every day he's like, hey, I took another payout. Yeah. It's like they fund it, I don't know, $50. I don't know. They gave me a link to give to you, and it's a discount. And you're like, okay, here we go. Watched a student build up his account and then just like, I don't know if it's every day. I've used it. I'm like, okay. And I'm just trying to find solutions for everyone and everything. So when a friend just called, she just lost her job, and someone just rear-ended her, and she has insurance, but she doesn't have what is that, idiot insurance, where when other people run into you, you have to pay for it. Actually makes the best bread in the world. And I said, get your darn website up, and I'll tell people honestly, it's the best bread. But anywho, I love you guys, and I'm going to see you tomorrow. Yep. Yeah, tomorrow's Friday. Yeah, I'm working tomorrow also. With that, I shall see you in the next trade.